So it is much later than we were originally intending for this trip. As you can see, it is raining outside, and I think it's even raining worse where we're going. Our first flight was canceled, so later start, but we're heading to Boston to visit a client, do some photo, video, and just enjoy the city. So is this your first work trip?
It is.
Oh my gosh, that's so exciting.
We're gonna like try to eat somewhere fun tonight.
Yeah.
And like see the city. And
I'm so
all
excited for that.
So,
Yeah.
Just landed in Baltimore. Just found out that our flight connecting to Boston got canceled, and it is already like 4 o'clock. So I'm hoping we can get a flight to Boston tonight.
Hey, where are you? Before then, we will meet you there. Alright, bye. She really did book you. I didn't think I was in the bathroom that long.
Hey, you look like you could use a little pick-me-up.
Hey, I sure could. So I just called Josh. I let him know what's going on. I don't know if like he looks at other airlines or we could drive. It's a fun 7-hour drive, so we could do that if we needed to. A little road trip overnight.
Well, if we drive, we're gonna need more Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, I think we're gonna need a whole car for
Chick-fil-A.
Last flight went out at 3:35, so it'll be, it's like a 6:20 flight tomorrow.
Okay, so I definitely need to get my bag tonight. Okay,
Yeah.
gotcha. Okay, so we'll go pick it up. Thank you.
Go do it, huh?
We rebooked our flight on our own because clients first, and we're gonna get there no matter what. So basically what we have to do now is go get our bags ourselves and wait in line. Hopefully we get them before we have to get on our next flight. But if not, they'll fly them there tomorrow morning. And if that's the case,
Then you guys
We're
are
gonna
gonna
be-
wear all of my clothes.
then we're gonna wear all
Yay!
Carly's
Woo!
clothes.
The only one who actually brought their clothes
I
with
actually,
them.
you know what? And I brought options, so you're welcome.
Okay, thank you. I can't wait to see
Yeah,
what
I'm
the
still
dress Jay
SOL,
wore in.
but you know, I don't know.
You've seen the segment Dress Joe, but we haven't
Yeah,
seen the
that's
segment Dress Jay.
Okay. We did. We got our bags.
Got our bags.
Well, not technically.
I mean, in spirit.
What a freaking adventure.
What a freaking adventure.
I know. We're gonna land at 10:30, and then we're gonna drive an hour
Yep.
and get our hotel.
Into a storm, right? Like we're driving
that's-
into a storm.
Yeah, we can't forget
So-
that.
Always going to be a storm
We're,
chaser.
you guys.
We are literally chasing the storm.
The title of this.
Storm chasers. It is basically 1 o'clock, and we are just now arriving at the hotel. Very tired. Who wants to go hit up Boston? Morning, guys.
Morning.
We're here in Boston. Gonna go get some brunch.
Yep.
They don't have. They make up their own rules here. They throw their trash on the street. Oh, it's terrible.
Oh, it's terrible. Very epic music.
Should give a salute.
All according to my parking.
Yum, 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 yum. So happy.
It looked like something from Horton Hears a Who. Like, I don't know. Dr. Seuss flowers. Did you guys ever watch the one growing up where they were like, beeswax oil, beeswax oil? Did you ever?
No.
Oh, okay, never mind.
What is that?
Me neither.
All right, time to go to the client. We need a soundtrack
Yeah.
while driving through Boston. Do you have any suggestions?
Find that song, Boston.
Got it. This is very melancholy. We're going to push. I'm really so uncomfortable. Hey, how's it going?
Jay Moore.
Matt, how's it going, man?
Nice to meet you.
I love what I do. I love being a dentist. You can't put into words like someone's reaction when tears come out of them. They just want to hug you and hold you. And I'm just the dentist. No other profession really gets to do that.
We're able to kind of start from the ground and say this is what we want for our patients and we want them to have a great experience. Being a new practice, we can offer that from the start.
Carly, first work trip.
It was
Thoughts?
good. It was really good. It was very busy, but I liked seeing everybody in action. That was really, really cool.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. Did good.
Give me a cute little laugh. Oh my god. I don't know what you mean by like, yeah, I'm not dressed. You look like really cool. Yeah, you should. No, you do.
Thanks.
You're just giving me current situation material. That's really what's happening.
That's true. Yeah, you're welcome. That's what I was afraid of. It's fine.